The project is called Songs of the Spirit, the collaborative hymnody of the Moravian Mohican missions. What we're trying to do is take hymns that were composed in Moravian mission communities in the mid-18th century by Mohican spiritual elders and also German missionaries, and bring them back to life, to resound them. These hymns haven't been sung in almost 250 years. So the Moravian records are really important sources for the community at the Stockbridge-Muncie Reservation in Wisconsin in their efforts to revive the language. And that's where Rachel and I come in, because we have the paleographic training to work with the very difficult 18th century German script, and also to work with the musical sources which are actually in the Moravian archives in Herrnhut, Germany.
I would say I'm absolutely proud, but more than proud, I'm completely honored to be working on this project. This is it's a really amazing thing when someone contacts you and trusts your skill set to be involved in a project like this. It really is an honor to kind of cross the aisle, so to speak, in the musicology and music theory world, to work on things that are brand new to me, and things that make a cultural difference in perhaps descendants and the heritage that we're kind of tracing and laying out here can be brought to life even better because of this big project with everyone involved.
The sung aspect of all of this is so important, because otherwise these are just texts in an archive. But they were never meant to be a text. They were meant to be a sung piece of music. If you think about how much connection a text that, as an archival text can make with modern day folks, there's only so much that can mean to someone. But people connect with music. It doesn't matter what it is. If it's sounded and if it's sung, if it's played on an instrument, people connect with that. And so I think that's been a really important outcome of this project.